You create a PowerPoint presentation, but you're not sure about what the designs are. Maybe it's just plain, it's dull. How can you get more suggestions without using those in-house templates that everybody's seen quite a number of times? Let's look at how. So I have a presentation here. It's really dull. It's boring. I look at it and go, ugh, I wouldn't want to sit through it. Doesn't matter how great the information is. It's blah. Now I can go into design and choose the office themes, or I could even browse for a new theme. There's also quite a lot of themes that are online, okay? If you're interested in finding out more about how to use these, just add a comment below and I will create a video for that. What I'm looking at today is in the design tab at the very end, you've got designer. Now sometimes it actually pops up in a pane along the right hand side. This one it hasn't. I select the slide I'm on, and then I can go through and just take a look. And if I click on one, it shows me what it looks like, and I can say, not sure. Like this one, not really appropriate because it's about Microsoft Word, not Excel. This one's quite nice. Okay, or I can scroll through. I can also ask for more design views. You also have to think about how your other slides are going to look compared to these. Will one fit in? How are they going to look? And I think I might go with this one. Especially because my logo is round. This fits in with my logo. The colors, not really, but I can change that. So then I go to the next one and I can generate. You can see it already has some that if I'd chosen some of the other designs for that first slide, there were some complementary ones. So the one that I chose, you have a few that would fit. Okay, and it just goes through and you just choose one. Now I don't want one the exact same as my title page because the title page needs to be slightly different. Okay, but I kind of, I like this, but I prefer it to be slightly different. And I can change some of this. What I want to do is actually take this and move it. I've got another idea for this. And I also, just gonna move it, whoops, undo. Control Z is great for undoing. I'm just going to take this top one here, but I would like the text, that's it. That's good. I'd like it more like that, I think. I could even make it more like that. Yeah. Get rid of this background. And then I want something in here, but I'm going to come back to that. So I can go to the next slide. If I go to the designer, it will then bring up more suggestions. Now, I look at this one and I find if I have the exact same thing every single slide, it gets a bit boring. So sometimes I will have the same type and then all of a sudden a different one, but sometimes I'll have alternates. And this one actually would look really good. And then I can do the same here. see if it shows the same suggestions. No, it's just not coming up with the same things. And I'm like, I like that previous one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay. And then I hopefully will see, yes, it's come up with that one. And then I'm just going to move the text from here to this previous. Yeah. Now Control A selects everything in there, and I'm just going to cut that. And then Control A and paste. Okay, paste is Control V. There we go. And then I can just delete that. Now I want everything to kind of fit in with these two. So I could, again, try the designer, see if it comes up with something complementary. You can see there's different icons in this. That's quite nice. Okay, if I wanted it to continue the left-right, I'd probably have to copy and paste this down, or I can just choose, yeah, documents and themes. Let's see if it comes up with something. And it comes back to that one. I think I'm going to, take this one. Create a duplicate slide. That's it. And then I'm just going to shift this one. Yeah, here. I'll just apply it to the rest. So, okay, now that I've added that to the entire document, I now want to make them a bit more interesting. So, I mean, these ones, I won't like that. Yeah, that's much better. But I don't like having this. This is just not the right icon. And if I go up to the top, into the graphics here, there is a change graphic, and I can change and choose something that I have, or a stock image, or I can get something from an icon. In this case, I do want an icon. Let's see if track comes out with anything. Ooh, that's kind of neat. Fits with my house. Track changes, there we go. And I can also insert one in here. So I'll continue to do, now this is inserting, so I'm going to go up to the insert and into icons. And this one I know that I want. Yeah, ooh, I think I want this one. And then I just place it where I want it. And I can go to graphic and change the color so it matches the rest. I'm not keen on these colors, so I will be changing them. So let me go through and change that, the rest of the document. Okay, so I've changed the images that I wanted to change, but I'm still not happy with the colors. I could keep them the same, that's fine, or I can go up to design, and it's in this variants, and you click on the little drop down with the line, and there's choices. You have your fonts. So if your fonts don't fit with your corporate fonts or ones that you like, you want them a little bit different, you can choose from the standard. I've created one for my business at the top, or I can go down to customize fonts, and I can choose from here. As long as you have the fonts in your computer, then they should be available. You can also give this a name. and then it just applies it to your document. I can do the same with colors. So click on the drop down by variants, go into color. There are some here. Okay, so I can choose one and see what it looks like. Or I could go down, you can see I've got branded colors, and I can go down to customize or custom colors, and I can actually create my own. So if you've been branded and you have all the branding information in the branding pack, like the exact colors, you can actually go into this and click on more colors and type in either the red, green, blue, or my favorite, the hex number. You just copy and paste it. And I think I've mentioned it before, but if you you don't have a brand and you have a business, you can create your own brand colors easily by using a website called Colors. And I'll put a link down below for that. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this. And I think I'm going to choose one of the... And then my whole document changes. And that creates a nice, interesting document using that designer. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on the like button. It really does help. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye for now.